Lovely roach. And we're off. Right, cool. We're getting back. Yes. Well done, Fred. Lovely roach from the brook. Yes. Right, do you want to chuck him back? Yes.
Yep. Yeah, it's going.
Lovely rod. Cool. Really nice fish. Alright, brilliant. We'll get him back. Yes.
Yep.
Cool roach. Brilliant. Alright, we'll get him back before he jumps out. Yay, lovely rod, Fred. Yes. Brilliant. Well done, Fred. Back he goes. Yep. Cool. Yes, a really nice roach. And that could be the biggest so far. Yes. Well done, Fred. Well done, Fred. Another nice roach. Yes. Brilliant. Oh, slipping back. Yay, Fred with a micro roach. Yes. Definitely thumb size. Yo! Smallest roach he's caught.